Hello ladies, my name's Joyce Piper. I'm Australian, but I'm currently living and working in Saudi Arabia. I'm a newly qualified face yoga instructor. I completed the program in November 2017 and it's the 30th of December today. And while I'm reviewing everything that I did for 2017, doing this program is certainly one of my highlights and one of my proudest achievements. It is a challenging program. There's a lot of work to do. I have a full-time job in corporate, so that takes a lot of my energy, but I managed to complete the program doing the work at night time and on my weekends. So it is doable when you remember why you were attracted to the program in the first place, why you want to do the program. That will keep you motivated and inspired. Together with Famiko, who is incredibly inspiring and motivating and very supportive, her and her wonderful, wonderful team of support staff, they are there for you, whether it's a technical issue or programming questions, they are there to help you. And I hope that you will experience, like I did, that the rest of the students in my group were all incredibly supportive, and the Facebook group that you will be part of, there's just so much love, so much support. It's really outstanding. I've never experienced anything like it before. So, heading into 2018, if you're one of the lucky ones that's signed up and you've been accepted, I wish you the greatest of success. I know you will do it, and I'll really look forward to following the Facebook group and hearing about your success. So, good luck and bye for now.